Hi guys and welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to reset Facebook password. To start, open your Facebook application. In here, log in. First, enter your mobile number or email address. Then select Forgotten Password. In here, you will need to enter your mobile number binded to your Facebook account. Then in here, select the button that says Find Account. Once done, in here just select Continue. Then in here, select Get Code or Link via SMS, then select the blue button in the bottom corner. Wait for Facebook to finish loading this time. Once you're here, enter the code sent on your mobile number. Then hit Continue. In here, you should be able to create a new password. Input your new password, then select Continue. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.